Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to generate new photos using Gemini. To begin, simply type a clear and descriptive prompt into the interface. Think of exactly what you want to see, from the main subject to the background details. Gemini will then process your request, creating several unique image options for you to review. This powerful tool allows for incredible creative freedom, turning your ideas into visual realities in just a few moments. To get the best possible images, focus on crafting highly effective prompts. For instance, instead of dog, try a golden retriever playing in a sunny park. Add details about the style, such as digital art or watercolor. Consider the mood you want to convey by describing lighting, like golden hour or dramatic shadows. The more information you provide, the closer Gemini will get to your vision, often producing stunning results. Generating images is often an iterative process. Don't be afraid to generate several options from your initial prompt. If the first set isn't quite right, simply modify your prompt slightly. Perhaps change a color, add a new element, or alter the style. Each adjustment helps Gemini understand your preferences better, leading to more refined and accurate images over time. This back-and-forth approach is key to achieving your perfect visual. Here are a few final tips for creating truly great Gemini photos. Always use vivid adjectives and powerful verbs to paint a clear picture for the AI. Think about the final use of your image. For example, a square image for social media versus a wide one for a banner. Take your time to review the generated options, selecting the one that best captures your original idea. With practice, you will master the art of AI image generation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.